So today I am going to be taking you through my face routine that just cost 13,000 naira. You heard me, that's less than $9. With just $9, 13,000 naira, you can build a full skincare routine. Now, one thing is knowing the important things you need to actually achieve the results that you want. My face routine, what it does for me personally and what it can do for you watching this video is: one, it is going to help to smoothen your face. If you have open pores, your face is not smooth, it's not giving that glass skin effect, it is going to help you. It is going to help you with dark spots, it is going to help you with hyperpigmentation. It is generally going to enhance the appearance of your face. That is what this my present skincare routine is going to do for you. It is simple, it is affordable, it is very basic, and it is very beginner friendly. So if you're a beginner to skincare, you need a very good face routine. This is the face routine for you. As I said, this face routine will cost you just 13,000 naira only. It sounds too good to be true. With my face, you are going to know that this particular routine works. And when I started using this routine, funny enough, this was not how smooth my face was. This routine has really helped me, and that is why I am sharing it. Now, over the months, if you are not new to my channel, you know that I have used different routines, and as I keep going, I keep trying to simplify my face routine, because less is more. If there is something I have learned in skincare routine, it is that less is more. But some people, when they hear less is more, you go and buy less products without knowing the real thing that your skin needs to give you the results that you are looking for. So less is more, but you need to buy the key things that your skin needs to glow, and that is what I am going to be showing you in today's video. So I'm going to clip this. I hope you still hear me very clearly. So now I have washed my face. Okay, this particular skincare routine is very beginner friendly. A caramel skin person can use it, and a fair skin person can use it. Basically, this is just a face glow routine. So the first thing I do is to wash my face, which I have washed my face. I don't think there's any need to show it. Everybody can wash their face. So this is the soap that I use. I've said it before, I am still using this soap currently. As at now, this is still the soap I am using on my face. So after washing my face, the next thing that is going to go on my face is my snail gel. The reason why I'm making this video again is mostly for my new subscribers. A lot of my old subscribers, you all will know my face routine already. Just I tweaked a little things, but it's basically the same. But if you are new to my channel, like 1 month ago, 2 months ago, then you need to really see this video, because I'm going to be sharing a lot of things. Now, this particular snail gel we are seeing here is compulsory for this face routine. If you have been using aloe vera gel on your face and it has not given you the results you are expecting, get snail gel. This is very good for hydration. This is good for dry skin person. This is good for oily skin person. This is good for someone that has acne. This is good for someone that has sunburn. It is basically good for every face condition. Even if there is nothing wrong with your face, you need this, and you know that your face is not giving you that smoothness that you are looking for. Get snail gel. Either get snail gel, or you get tomato gel, or you get green tea gel. I have reviewed these gels individually. Okay, scroll through my channel, you are going to see a video where I talked about tomato gel, snail gel, aloe vera gel, cucumber gel, and green tea gel, what they do for your face. But this particular snail gel here, generally, I would say it basically does everything. So you need this. This is compulsory right now that I'm talking to you in my face, because since I started using it every single day, I have really seen difference in the texture of my skin. Now, for your skin complexion to pop, whether you are fair skin or whether you are dark skin, the texture of your skin is very important. Now, when I use this, I use it very generously. Okay, I use a very generous amount. Earlier this year, I had serious acne. If you see my face now, even in real life, you are not going to believe that I had severe acne earlier this year. And this is November. My whole face is smooth, and the spots, Okay, you need to come really close to me before you can see the dark spots that I'm still treating. Everything has faded and I don't get new pimples again. And I achieved this with very simple products. So it is actually very possible to achieve a smooth face, a clear face, clear hyperpigmentation, clear serious dark spots with very, very simple product. The only thing is you need to know how to use this product, and the quantity you use your products really matter. I hope you saw the quantity I used. I do not use this thing small. I use it in great quantity because the texture of your skin depends on how hydrated and how moisturized your face is. Even for your skin, okay, I've also noticed it on my body. Okay, since I started prioritizing moisturization and hydration of my skin complexion instantly improved. Sometimes you don't need a lightening cream, you don't need a lightening oil, you don't need a lightening this. All you need is hydration, all you need is moisturization. So since I added this to my routine, I have honestly seen tremendous improvement in the texture of my skin, in the bounce of my skin. And also another thing that I want to mention in this video that I usually don't talk about in my other videos is spacing. When you are doing your face routine, give time. Don't apply this one and instantly carry another product and put on top. You are making that the first product you put not to be effective, because normally you are not going to carry this one now, put it on your hand, carry your serum, carry your face cream and put and mix it together. If you do that, then apply it, you just made a concoction. Now, even if you don't do that, you can also create that concoction on your face. If you do not space out your products, okay, while using it, it can give you a different result totally. So that is what I need you to understand. You need to give space while applying your skincare products, so it is going to give you your desired result. Let me rephrase. Give your skincare products time on your skin before you apply another one. If not, it is just going to be like you brought a container and you mix different skincare products in it. One, you have destroyed the formulation of individual products, you have scattered the pH levels, you have scattered and when you put that on your skin, it's just like you are putting poison on your skin. Your skin is going to react differently, you are not going to get the desired results, and your face condition is going to get worse. So sometimes it is not the product you are using, it is how you are applying it. So now, after applying this nail gel, I allow it to dry up into my skin, because this thing needs to penetrate into the layers of our skin. Do you understand? So allow it to dry out. Some people just apply things and you are just putting and putting. Allow one to dry, touch your face, feel it, and make sure you are not feeling the product totally again before you go in with another product. So just like I said, this skincare routine is 15,000 naira max. The soap is sold for 2,000 naira. This is sold for 2,500. Okay, and that is how much? That is 4,500 naira. Now, the next product I'm going to apply on my face is serum, which is this Dr. Rachel White Skin Niacinamide Face. This has Absine and niacinamide. I have been using this particular face serum since, I think I started using this serum last year. This is like almost 1 whole year of using this particular face serum, and I'm going to tell you that this face serum is good. In as much as it is affordable, it works. Affordable products work, but you need to use it for a long time. You need to have patience, because this has Absine and niacinamide in it. But you do not expect this to give you results in 2 weeks. Why? Because this brand has built their products around affordability, right? And because they have built their brand affordability, these products do not contain high percentage of this said active skincare ingredients. Okay, so you need to use it for a prolonged period of time before you are going to see results. For me personally, I prefer to use these products that have little percentages of the active skincare ingredients. There's a way you are going to use your active skincare ingredient. It is going to give you adverse results, especially for someone that has a reactive skin. If your skin is very reactive, you are going to agree with me that expensive products do not work for you. Why do expensive products not work for you? It's because those expensive serums, expensive face creams, they have high percentages of active skincare ingredients, which if you use it on your face, it is going to react. And that is because a lot of you do not know how to use it. When you get a product that has high percentage of some skincare ingredients, you reduce the quantity you use it. But the good aspect of using something like this is you can use a high quantity without getting any adverse result. But by the time you use it for a prolonged period of time, you are going to get results. Just like I said, I have been using this same product for over 1 year now. Okay, so that is to tell you that you need to be patient with the skincare products you have used. This is not the only serum I have used this year, but there are some things in my skincare routine that are basic. I need to have this, and this face serum is one of them because it actually works. Every other serum I'm using is just to add more hydration and add more ingredients, active skincare ingredients in my face. Now my face has totally dried. I am making this video in real time, and I'm doing it for a reason. I have not cut any part of this video, and I do not want to cut out anything so much while I'm editing. So you are going to see the minutes that I stay while I'm doing. Now this is 11 minutes, so that means I have left this thing on my face now for about almost 8 minutes to allow it to dry in. If I had a fan right here now, it would have been faster. Okay, so now I am going to go ahead. For this my serum, I like to use 3 drops. I don't know if it is drops, but you can see the quantity I am using. So I like to use 3 of this pump, not full pumps, but you get what I mean. So as I'm applying this one now, I am also going to let it, seep into my skin. Also, when you are applying your product, remember to apply it on your eye area. Okay, your eye area, your lip area. Some people, their face is fair, but on top of their lip here is dark. Do you understand? So also remember to apply your product on top of your lips here. This is your lip line, so it doesn't look like you are bleaching your skin or something like that. Now serums dry quicker. Okay, so while I'm waiting for this serum to dry up, let me tell you something else. Okay, now I have 2 products here. So yeah, we are at 4,500 naira. This serum is sold for 5,000 naira. So 4,500 plus this, that is how much? That is 9,500 naira. Now this particular face cream I have here, this is the face cream I'm using. This is the Sador Pomegranate Fresh Brightening Face Cream. This face cream is very good. It is super hydrating, it is super moisturizing, and it gives that glow. It is very glowy, like it gives shine. If you're someone that has a dry skin, I would really suggest you try this particular face cream. It is really nice. Whether you have fair skin, whether you have caramel skin, it is a brightening face cream. It is not a lightening face cream. So you can use this face cream morning and night. Every product I am giving you here, you can use it morning and night. This same routine, you can use it in the morning and you can use it at night. Okay, so now I have this here, and I also have my sunscreen. This sunscreen is sold for, I think, 4,000, 4,500, 5,000 naira too. Now I do not use these 2 things together. Okay, I mostly use this, and any day I'm going out, I use this. So if I was to go out today, I am going to use this after my face serum, but mostly I use my face cream. Do you understand? So we were at 9,500, and this face cream sells for 5,000 naira, 4,000 naira. Add that to the 9,500. So you see, you do not need to spend much money to get a very good sale. to get a very good skin. As you can see, I'm almost out of this face cream. That is to show you how good this face cream is. I really love it, and I use it generously. Okay, I use it generously, just like as I said. I've really noticed that when it comes to the texture of your skin, the hydration, how much hydration you put into your skin, how much moisturization you put into your skin, it really matters. Okay, it really matters. So this is the difference between this and having an expensive face routine. Is in an expensive face routine, you are going to have an essence, you are going to have a toner, you are going to have this, you are going to have that. That is what this nail gel here, I am using it as a face toner, I am using it as a face essence. It works as both for me. Do you understand? So that is it. So this is my simple face routine. It's very simple and it gets the job done. So if you can see how my face looks now, I'm going to allow this to seep into my skin, and that is basically it. So if you're a beginner to skincare, if you're on a budget and you want products that will give you very good results, you might not use this exact product that I use here, but use something similar. Okay, so for this face cream, in case you do not see this face cream that I'm using, okay, you can use either this my face serum here. They have a face cream. This Dr. Rachel White Skin, they have a face cream. I think if I go to market, that's the face cream I'm going to buy next. They have a face cream. It is very nice. Okay, I know someone using it is nice. They are my former face cream, the collagen snail collagen whitening face cream. That one is also very good. So any of these moisturizing hydrating face creams, you can substitute it for this one that I'm using. But this one, this product is available. You just get this face serum. It is good. There was a time I was using two face serums. Okay, that is also good. But this is just to demonstrate to you that you can use very basic face products to achieve a very good result. The difference between this my face routine and you that is just using a serum and a face cream is this nail gel. This makes the whole difference. This makes the whole difference. Do not skip this. Don't skip this for anything. It makes the whole difference. Okay, so if you have a simple face routine but it has not been working for you, get an essence, which is either snail gel, tomato gel, or green tea gel. These are the three I am going to prescribe for you. Aloe vera gel is very picky. Aloe vera gel does not work for everybody, but these three that I've told you works for every type of skin, every type of skin condition, and it gives very good results. So that is it about it for my face routine that I said I should bring to my new subscribers, and I hope that this video was really helpful. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts, your comments, your questions, and remember to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and I'm going to see you on our next one.